Yes, sir. Well, for the first time in 30 years, the state of Oklahoma fails to send even one team to the big dance. Oklahoma State will settle for the next best thing, the NIT. OSU hosting Harvard in round one. The Smart Kids, 23-win team, Travis Ford, he took UMass to the NIT Final Four in 2008, and he says this tournament has a lot to offer.
I took a team at UMass to the finals of the NIT, and if you can call Gary Forbes and all those, and they can tell you that was one of the best experiences of their life. So, we got a lot of young players on this team. It's just an opportunity to keep playing games and to get better and to feel good about yourself maybe and continue to play.
Harvard was Marla's fallback school, I believe. So it's OSU and Harvard. Tuesday night in Stillwater, tip-off, 6:30. Meanwhile, for TU, the season is over. Golden Hurricane passed over by the NIT and declining interest tonight from the CBI, a tournament Tulsa won back in 2008. Golden Hurricane finished the year with the record of 19-13 and a second-place finish in Conference USA. As for ORU, the Golden Eagles will keep playing, returning to postseason play for the first time in 3 years, accepting a bid to the collegeinsider.com tournament. ORU facing SMU Wednesday night in Dallas. 24 teams in the 3-year-old CTI. Golden Eagles could host a game if they beat the Ponies. ORU baseball breaking out the brooms today. Golden Eagles beat Bethune-Cookman 4-3. ORU sweeps the 3-game series at Arizona State next weekend. Sunday matinee for the Thunder, and they were taking care of business against the lowly Cavs. Russell Westbrook through the lane like a boss. Russ West scores 20. Later, off the steal, it's James Harden up ahead, and he is sharing and playing well with others. Kevin Durant, the finish. KD scores 19. Thunder winning, 95-75, the final at Washington tomorrow. Arkansas basketball coach John Pelfrey fired today, and I'm telling you, Arkansas, stay away from Travis Ford. We don't want you even sniffing around there.